Do you ever wanted to be like James Bond or an undercover spy? Well, now you can with the latest gadgets available on the market. Whether you're a professional spy or simply looking for a little bit of fun, there is a wealth of gadgets on the market that can make your job a whole lot easier. In this video, we'll be showcasing 10 of the best spy gadgets available to purchase right now. These newer gadgets are a product of ingenuity and facilitate you in ways you can never imagine. With the help of these gadgets, you'll be able to quickly and efficiently gather information, helping you stay one step ahead of the game. So let's get started with the video. Number 10. Kingsman Shoe Knife. This awesome gadget is a great way to stay safe and look stylish at the same time. This cleverly designed knife fits right into the sole of your shoe without being noticeable. It's made from stainless steel and comes with a sheath to ensure safe storage. The blade is sharp and is great for self-defense and everyday use. It's lightweight, durable, and a great way to always be prepared. Whether you're looking for a stylish and discreet way to protect yourself or just want to add a cool gadget to your collection, the Kingsman Shoe Knife is a great choice. Check it out today and stay safe. Number 9. Net Gun. The net gun is a non-lethal weapon designed to temporarily immobilize a person or animal. It works by firing a net, usually made of nylon or Kevlar, at high speed. The net then wraps around the target, trapping them in place. The net gun has been used by law enforcement and military personnel for crowd control, as well as by researchers for animal capture. It's a great tool for immobilizing dangerous animals or suspects without causing harm. The net gun is relatively easy to use and comes in a variety of sizes and shapes. It can be used in both close and long-range situations and can be fired from the ground or from a helicopter. Overall, the net gun is a useful tool for capturing and restraining animals or suspects. Number 8. Protect 1206i. Are you concerned about privacy and potential eavesdropping? Introducing Protect 1206i, the latest in RF bug detectors. Protect 1206i is an advanced handheld device that can detect and identify a wide range of signals, including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GSM, 3G, and DCT. It also features a demodulation feature that can identify exactly which protocol has been detected. The Protect 1206i, the powerful RF bug detector that helps protect your privacy from those who wish to take away your sense of security. With its sophisticated handheld design, you can easily have a bug device finder in your car, home, or office. This powerful device can pick up signals from modern and classic bugs, making it the ideal tool for protecting your privacy. With Protect 1206i, you can easily detect hidden cameras and other bugs in your car, home, or office. Get the peace of mind you deserve and protect your privacy with Protect 1206i. Number 7. Skylotech. Skylotech makes a wide range of products designed to keep climbers and mountaineers safe while they explore the outdoors. From harnesses and carabiners to descenders and helmets, they have all the gear you need for a safe and successful climb. Their products are rigorously tested and certified to meet the highest safety standards, so you can be sure that your safety is in good hands. Skylotech also offers a range of educational materials for climbers and mountaineers, including instructional videos and books to help you get the most out of your climbing experience. So if you're looking for the best in safety gear and educational resources, look no further than Skylotech. With their commitment to safety and quality, you can trust them to keep you safe and secure. Number 6. SpyFinder Pro. Are you worried about hidden cameras in your home, office, or hotel room? With SpyFinder Pro Hidden Camera Detector, you can quickly and easily scan a room for hidden cameras. This device helps you detect hidden cameras in your home, office, or hotel room. It uses 3 powerful LED lights to quickly and easily find even the most well-hidden cameras. It's easy to use. Simply press the button and slowly sweep the area you suspect a hidden camera. If a camera is present, the bright LED lights will identify it. With a small and compact design, the SpyFinder Pro is perfect for travel and home use. Get the peace of mind you deserve with the SpyFinder Pro Hidden Camera Detector. Number 5. Hindsight. Do you love to cycle but worry about the safety risks that come with it? Then Hindsight rear-view cycling glasses were made for you. These revolutionary glasses give you the ability to safely enjoy cycling by providing you with a rear view of the road at all times. The glasses are designed with a wide field of view and come with an adjustable strap and removable lenses so you can customize them to your comfort. The hindsight rear-view cycling glasses have a lightweight, durable design and feature an anti-fog coating to keep your vision clear. The glasses also provide UV protection to help protect your eyes from the sun's harmful rays. You can now safely enjoy cycling with hindsight rear-view cycling glasses. Take the worry out of cycling and get the hindsight rear-view cycling glasses today. Number 4. Cheating Watch. Introducing the 24 Cupid Invisible Watch, the world's first watch featuring an invisible screen, allowing you to keep your content private and discreet. With an ultra-thin design and polarized lenses, the 24 Cupid Invisible Watch is perfect for everyday wear, whether you're at work or out on the town. The 24 Cupid Invisible Watch is the ultimate discreet companion. With a dark screen that looks like it's off, no one will know you're wearing a watch. The polarized lenses allow you to see your content without anyone else knowing. You can upload photos, videos, and even text to the invisible watch, and the chapters feature allows for easy and fast navigation. Plus, the eyeglasses that come with the 24 Cupid Invisible Watch are unisex and feature a frame that makes them look like real prescription glasses, so no one will suspect you're wearing a smartwatch. With 24 Cupid, you can keep your content private and secure. Get the 24 Cupid Invisible Watch today and start living in the future. Number 3. Sam Surin and Citizen Armor Bulletproof Suit. The amazing Sam Surin and his revolutionary invention, the Citizen Armor Bulletproof Suit. Sam Surin is a former Navy SEAL and a world-renowned inventor. He wanted to make sure that everyone had access to the best possible protection from bullets, and so he created the Citizen Armor Bulletproof Suit. This suit is made from high-grade materials and is designed to provide maximum protection from bullets. It also features a unique design that allows for maximum freedom of movement. The suit also has adjustable straps, so it can fit almost any body type. Sam Surin hopes that his invention will help to reduce the number of people who are victims of gun violence. With the Citizen Armor Bulletproof Suit, he believes that everyone can be safe and secure. Number 2. Aerial System Nano 33 BLE. Did you know that researchers have developed a new sensor deployment system that uses unmanned aerial vehicles to shoot sensor pods at surfaces like darts? Researchers at Imperial College London have developed a fascinating new approach, deploying sensors via unmanned aerial vehicles. We take a look at the system they've designed, which shoots sensor pods from the aerial platform like darts, using a compressed spring and a shaped memory alloy trigger. We'll also explore the Arduino Nano 33 BLE Sense sensor package and the various methods of attachment they proposed. Watch now to learn more about this innovative sensor deployment system. Number 1. DT8 Ultra Max Smartwatch. This stylish and powerful watch has been making waves in the tech world. We'll start off by giving you a look at the design of the DT8 Ultra Max. It's sleek and modern, with a stainless steel case and rubber band. The display is a bright and colorful touchscreen, with a simple and intuitive user interface. Next, we'll take a look at what this smartwatch can do. It has a range of features designed to make your life easier. You can keep track of your health and fitness goals with the built-in heart rate monitor and pedometer. You can also stay connected with notifications for calls, text messages, and emails. Finally, let's take a look at the battery life of the DT8 Ultra Max. It can last up to 2 days on a single charge, so you don't have to worry about charging it every day. So that's our review of the DT8 Ultra Max smartwatch. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a stylish and powerful smartwatch. Thanks for watching our video about the top 10 spy gadgets that you can buy right now. We hope you enjoyed learning about all the cool gadgets and that you feel more prepared to spy your way to success. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos. Until next time, stay sneaky.